How to use YouTube non-obvious tricks guide 2026. To use these features, all you have to do is open the YouTube application itself or head to the official site of YouTube on your browser. From here, you can find a lot of options such as video summary from the AI itself. All you have to do is open the video, and once the ad passes, all you have to do is simply find this star-like icon, which is Gemini. All you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on this summarize the video option. Now, once you do so, the video will be automatically summarized by the AI itself, and you can also select the exact topic that you want to go to, and all you have to do is tap on this timestamps to skip all these parts and head to that specific topic. And you can also find options like auto translate to your desired language. All you have to do is simply tap on this setting icon, then tap on this captions, where you should be able to find this auto translate option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can select your desired language or your preferred language. And you can also stabilize your volume of your specific video, as well as enable this ambient mode. To use this feature, you simply have to tap the setting here once again and head to this more option. From here, you should be able to find this stable volume option and ambient mode. Once you enable this, you should be able to view this video in a much more immersive way. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.